Today's thought, work is worship.
What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
What we do on first Saturday of the month?
English activity all day.
Do you like speaking in English?
Yes.
Do you really like?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So today we all speak in English only, no other language. Understand? No other language, no Urdu, no Kannada, only English. All through the day we speak in English only. Okay?
Good morning to you all. How are you?
How are you, sir?
I am fine. Sit down. Thank you, sir. Today we learn some singular into plural. Okay? Nida, come here. Read it.
Singular, plural. Cat, cats. Bag, bags. Pen, pens. Chair, chairs. Class, classes. Bench, benches. Baby, babies.
Yes. Next. Arshia, come here.
Singular, plural. Cat, cats. Bag, bags. Pen, pens. Chair, chairs. Class, classes. Bench, benches. Baby, babies.
Next. Alia, come here.
Singular, plural. Cat, cats. Bag, bags. Pen, pens. Chair, chairs. Class, classes. Bench, benches. Baby, babies.
Students, which lesson we are reading in mathematics?
Visualizing solid shapes.
So we are reading ठोस अशकाल का इजहार, visualizing solid shapes. We have already started learning this lesson. Here in front of you there are some solid shapes. Can you name these solid shapes? Yes, you know the names? So tell me, what are the names of these solid shapes? Ansar, stand up. Name this solid shape. Cylinder. This is cylinder. We say stwana in Urdu and cylinder. Okay. Now, can you name this solid shape? Name. You want to say? Stand up. Cone. This is cone. Can you tell the name in Urdu also? Makhrut. Yes. In Urdu we say makhrut, and in English this is called cone. Okay. This is cone. Sit down. Can you tell the name of this solid shape? Just raise your hand. Stand up. Prism. This is called prism. The name of this solid shape is prism. Can you say the name of this solid shape? Yes? Cuboid. This is called cuboid. Okay? So, sit down. So, you know the names of these solid shapes. Today, we are going to learn about the vertices, faces, and edges of the solid shapes. So we are going to learn about the vertices, faces, and edges of the solid shapes. Okay, I have already told you about the vertices, faces, and edges. Can anybody tell how many vertices are there in this solid shape? How many vertices are there in this solid shape? Can anybody tell? Stand up, Zikra.
There are 8 vertices.
There are 8 vertices. Okay, very good. Can you show the vertices?
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. So there are 8 vertices, जिसको हम उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं, रास हैं. ठीक है. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Can anybody tell how many faces are there in this solid shape? How many faces are there? Ujia, you want to tell? Stand up.
There are 6 faces.
There are 6. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there are 6 faces in this solid shape. Can you show the faces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So there are 6 faces in this solid shape. Go and sit down. Very good. So what remains? Edges. How many edges are there in this solid shape? You want to tell? Stand up.
There are 12 edges.
There are 12 edges. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there are 12 edges are there in this solid shape. Can you show
Yes.
the edges?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, thank you.
is English activity class 7 spoken English. Samir, please come read this sentence.
I am thirsty. Could you please give me a glass of water?
Very good. Please Saad coming. Saad Patel.
When you are hungry, I am hungry. Could you please give me something to eat?
Something to
Eat.
eat. Eat means
Banana.
yes. My Nishad.
करना चाहिए.
What can cut or knife can cut?
My name is Mahek Avtar.
Very good.
Words: A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for egg, F for fan, G for gun, H for heart,
H for heart.
I for ink, J for jug. My name is Mahin. My father name is Nadarsa.
Your surname?
My
Surname is
My name is Anam.
Hanam Afrad.
Anam Afrad. Colors name: blue, red, green, brown, pink, orange, brown, grey, white, black. My name is Alpha. And the end is war, where we will.
I will they you.
In, on,
Under, next to, behind, up to.
From, by, with,
Over,
over,
up, out. Yes.
Yes, no, no.